the challenges that I experienced throughout my postgraduate journeys inspired me to go on a quest to find solutions to these barriers to postgraduate success. And that is why and how the Research Masterminds Success Academy was born. It is a platform where you can get the content and community you need to thrive as a postgraduate student, and where I can live my purpose. You may ask, what is in it for you? Why should you join the Research Masterminds Success Academy? Here are a few excellent reasons why the Success Academy is for you. You will finish your research project with ease. Sharing your goals with others will keep you accountable, ensuring that you stay motivated and procrastinate less. It is always much more fun to work on your research project knowing that others are doing the same, and that you can celebrate your wins in the success community. Then you will also develop your academic skills. The live workshops, short courses, academic resources, templates and other content will give you a head start in your academic career. You'll know things that others don't, and do remember to pay it forward and teach others what you've learned. And you will enjoy life out there. A big focus of the Research Mastermind Success Academy is on living a balanced life. The helpful content in the Academy will allow you to work on your research project with intention and determination. You'll feel more in control and have more time to do the things you love. Let me show you what's in the box. How the Research Mastermind Success Academy will move you closer to your goal. The once-a-month live online workshops on topics such as getting organized and dealing with your supervisors and many more will create a safe space where you can get your questions answered without feeling intimidated, so you can achieve your goals and pave the road to success. The content casket already contains the famous write-up template as well as 3 other templates, 5 short courses and 3 live workshop and Creators Haven recordings. New content gets added every month, be it a short course, a template, a checklist or an interview with an expert. You'll have access to the Success Community, an exclusive private forum where you can enjoy the presence of a community of postgraduate students who are, like you, all working on their research projects. The Creators Haven is a quarterly virtual retreat that will help you block out some time and create new knowledge with other like-minded achievers. Make progress with your own research project and still have time left to do the things you love while growing into the go-to expert in your field. An ever-growing collection of academic resources that currently contains more than 120 links to valuable third-party resources will ensure that you have all the academic resources you need at your fingertips so that you can navigate the academic journey without frustration. You'll also get access to bonus benefits. Members from low and middle income countries get free access to Governance Systematic Review software, while members from high income countries get 50% discount. I'm now going to leave you so that you can go ahead, click on the button below this video, register for the Research Masterminds Success Academy and get your postgraduate journey on the road to success. Keep your head up, keep going, success will come.